Hello, today I want to show you my paracord bracelet, but first of all let's change the background to let you see it a bit better. As you already probably spotted, of course the color is like how it is, and the knot is just popular cobra knot, the most popular style of paracord bracelets, but the connector here is not a synthetic Fastex buckle, it's a shackle. Why? First of all, for the durability, even though the Fastex nowadays are pretty durable if you pick the correct manufacturer. But I wanted to make it a little bit more vintage. The disadvantage is, first of all, it's metallic. So in the airports, when you are checked by some metal detector, maybe it will trigger it. Maybe there is enough metal here. Another disadvantage is it's made of two separate parts. So if you need to take it off, especially if you are not home, you can just lose this metallic bar connecting two ends of the bracelet. It has a hole here, so in theory you could use some really thin cord to somehow make it permanently connected. But the issue is it would be just another element which will stick out a bit or might catch something by accident, so I just keep it like this. So this bracelet is actually for decorative purposes or everyday wear, just to have some additional cord. I hope I would not use. Why? Because it was made by me, by myself. You can make it differently, even using the same knot. You can make it more tight and stiff, you can make it more soft and loose. Also, in the sizing, you can make it more fit, make it more loose on your wrist. So this one is actually my size, like slim fit sizing, and it's quite stiff. It's a bit difficult to squeeze it. Of course, you can use different types of knots here, and you can make it even way wider by using double knotting. But this one is like so. I wanted to make it just an accessory, in fact, not an actual tool too much. But you can still use it. You can untie it and have some paracord to use, but I think it would be too wavy because it's really tight now, so the shape of the knots will remain on the cord. Well, what's the color? It was originally called Multicam, but it's worn out now a bit, so it's way darker, but you see the color tonation is kind of Multicam-ish. Okay, nowadays we have huge selection of different synthetic buckles. Some of them have some, I don't know, little blade inside or a fire starter and a flint, like super tiny ones. I don't know if you will start a campfire with it, because it would be super difficult with something as small. But some of them have a compass here, like a button compass. I just wanted it for decorative and accessory having purposes more than to ever use it. So just sharing with you some different thoughts about paracord bracelet. I wear it rarely nowadays. There was some time when my main watch was broken. I just used my cell phone to check the time. So I was really missing something over my left wrist, so I worn this bracelet a lot, but now I wear it quite rarely, especially when I'm traveling. I would prefer something with a plastic buckle without additional features. And if I wanted to make this bracelet more useful, I will definitely not make it as stiff. First of all, to be able to untie it quickly, and the second thing is the cord wouldn't be as wavy as this one after being tied super tightly. So this is the main consideration, and maybe I will just make it double, like I will not end it here, but I will come back with the knots here, so it will be way wider, way more bulky, of course, so it wouldn't be as fashionable as this one, but I will have way more cord on me. And just few little thoughts shared, but thanks for watching, and let's see more just classic stuff soon. Bye.